Hello and welcome to a new episode of Yannick Asks. And today we are talking once again about the vexed topics of solids in sewage. Yes, more and more sanitary articles are disposed into toilets. This can be substances like wet wipes or similar. And these produce often clogging, and we know clogging produces high maintenance costs. But which long-lasting solution is there to ensure trouble-free pressure drainage? My guest today is the product manager of drainage pumps, Olivier Armbruster. Olivier, hello and welcome to Dortmund.
Hello, Yannick.
So our topic today are new sewage pumps with a macerator out of the Wilo-Rexa family. Olivier, let us start with the field of applications. Where exactly are these pumps used?
So those new granite pumps are used in wastewater removal systems. This in domestic application, in large building complexes, but also in municipal pressure drainage networks. They get rid of the clogging issue by cutting the solid present in sewage. The usual remains, but also the improper elements such as wet wipes, diapers, all of them, they are reduced into small pieces.
Okay, and what is especially new with this grinder system?
The new design couples the radial macerator with an efficient hydraulic, and this ensures a very great operational reliability in wastewater disposal.
I assume that there are also certain challenges of the wastewater disposal. And what do we have here?
So, in addition to the clogging issue, in single and two-family houses, the installer will face the lack of three-phase installations. Also, the end user will have to cover high installation costs. In larger building complexes, such as airports or shopping centers, the main challenge comes from the incurring use of the sanitation system. This leads to having a lot of improper elements into the sewage.
Okay, and this means that we have clogging, downtime costs and repair, right?
Yes, that's right. In addition to that, in municipal installation or network applications, you will have much longer operation time. And sometime in installation, you will need an X-proof equipment.
Okay, Olivier, and what exactly distinguishes the three ranges with the introduction of this new hydraulic? Let's get started with the middle, the Wilo-Rexa MINI3-S.
So the MINI3-S is intended for household. That means that it can be easily connected to an electrical socket without need of high power line or three-phase line. The optimized installation costs are ensured with macerator because there, the smallest pipework allowed for sewage can be used.
Okay, and what about the Wilo-Rexa Fit-S, the pump next to you?
This one just fits to the demand in many building types. The optimized macerator hydraulic provides you the highest delivery head from the lowest power intake. Installation costs are reduced, operation reliability is increased.
Last but not least, we have the Wilo-Rexa Pro-S. What characterizes this one?
This last execution is the most robust one. It offers also some extended options. By example, it can be installed in potentially explosive areas. All in one, the design ensures a long service life.
We have just mentioned the new radial macerator with double shower effect. What exactly is the big advantage of this?
So all those three pumps have, yes, one radial macerator. This part is made of deep hardened martensitic stainless steel.
Okay.
This radial macerator with double shower effect means that the fibers and solid will be cut in a safe way. Just imagine the cumulated cutting edge, which is of 24 meters, which will be crossed for each second of operation.
Okay, wow. And besides this, what about the hydraulic performance?
So the safe macerator is coupled to a very efficient hydraulic. You get very high delivery head from low power consumption.
Okay, Olivier, if you have to break down all this information, what are the three key customer benefits of the series?
So first, the increased operational reliability. Second, the low installation costs. And third, higher pressure with less energy consumption.
Olivier, let us go to the internal part of the series. So what is the main benefit for our customers with the new hydraulic?
The outstanding operation safety of the macerator with this double shower effect will face perfectly the clogging issues that we have in wastewater removal applications.
Okay, and now the special question. Do we have unique selling proposition?
Yes. The efficient coupling of the macerator to the hydraulic makes our pump very specific and patented. Just imagine that from 1.5 power line and single phase installation, our customer can remove wastewater over 25 meters of haze. This means 8 levels, so 1 level more than the best competitors.
What makes our offer of grinder pumps that specific in comparison to competitors?
The main differentiation is in the Rexa fit position, which is dedicated to commercial building application.
Okay.
Here, it fits to the intermittent operation with a better corrosion resistance when the motor is exposed to air. And also with 1 kilowatt less requested to achieve comparable performances, our customer can not only lower the cost to get the pump, but also the full installation costs. 1.5 kilowatts means that customer can use their existing single-phase line.
And what about the design? Are there any specific things?
Yes, 4 different patents have been communicated, and they protect already our new hydraulics.
Okay, wow, that is impressive. And what is also specific?
So of course, radial macerator can be seen by competition like Grundfos or KSB.
Okay, and what about the other competitors?
Other competitors like Xylem or Penta are using actual macerator with knife and plate.
Okay.
Here you can hear some impressive figures such as the number of bites per time of operation. But does the number of bites mean that it bites hard? We prefer to use the cumulative length of cutting edge per time of operation. Here, this is an effective value.
Are there more things to explain in the competition?
Yes. Double shear effect is also variable to catch and shred fibrous content.
Okay.
At the end, the coupling of the macerator to our experienced but improved closed impeller makes that the pump are performant and really specific. So, operation safety, high pressure, and low power intake. Everything is there to lower the installation costs.
Okay, Olivier, these pumps are very interesting, and let me summarize at the end our talk. So first of all, the Wilo-Rexa family gets a new grinder hydraulic with an upgraded macerator design. And then the safe removal of wastewater can be ensured by various installation types, from households up to commercial bindings and also up to the most demanding municipal applications, right?
That's right, perfect.
Okay, then thank you very much for joining in here in Dortmund and for your explanation of the Wilo-Rexa family.
You're welcome.
And if you have any questions about the Wilo-Rexa family, feel free to contact us or take a look at the internal sales guideline in our media database. And if you haven't done it yet on YouTube, at the bottom of the video you will find the button to subscribe for free. And now, thank you very much for joining in and see you next time with a new episode of Yannick Asks.